Okay, hello. Welcome to today's tutorial. So I want to show you how the SDA hymnal looks like in Easyworship. Okay, so these are collection of SDA songs, plus Pentecostal songs, and then Twi Bible. So this is how it looks like. First of all, after you have finished installing or open up Easyworship, you have to expand the collections. So everything has been categorized and grouped so that it makes your searching very easy and very simple. Now let's come to this collection. In case you are singing SDA English Seminary, okay, you select the SDA English the collections, and then each hymn is preceded by the hymn number, which is the prefix is SDAH. So if they are singing SDA hymnal number 10, SDAH space 10, we give 10. Now come Christian join to sing. This is an English hymnal, okay? But first of all, make sure that always when you are using Easyworship 6 or 7, your preview is at your view is at preview and live. This makes it very simple. You get a preview of what you are looking at, and then what you send to the live screen. So I'm just expanding this so that you see what is contained in the lyrics. Okay, so now let's see if you want to search for English hymnal 100. So you just enter SDA space and then you enter the 100, and each title is also followed by the title itself. Okay, the hymn title is also followed after the number. There is a title just to tell you, and all the lyrics have been organized very well and neatly according to verses, refrain, choruses, and other stuffs. Okay, so this is how you'll be able to identify them. The chorus are read in label, so there are some songs that maybe you might see chorus in them and then they are read. So now let's come to the local songs, the Twi ones. Now the Twi ones are categorized in three. We have the Memneda Akointunyum, and then the N, and then the engine. So the N lyrics are some of the normal ones or the old according to research, some old Twi songs or whatever it might be. So now if it is N3 that you are looking for, just enter N, no space, just 3. Okay, and then it selects for you. These are how the verses are organized and the choruses that you might see in some of them. So now let's move to and there are some songs which are also engine. Okay, the engine, you just enter engine 20 and then it takes you there. So you see the chorus, for example. So these are some of the songs, and they have been well organized for the presenter. So once you sit behind your PC and you project, you feel comfortable, and then you scroll through the verses and other stuff to make it very simple. Okay, now let's come to um this one, the Pentecostals as normal songs. Okay, normal songs that we sing in church, and then does not really belong to any particular church, although. So they are normal worship, Ghanaian worship songs, and then Ghanaian praises songs. So for example, this one you just have to enter the titles. So abandoning Uyewa, and then Abraham Nyamio Batampa. So these are some of the songs. Shedding Ame Suru, Shedding what Jesus Mo, Unyamia no Dada. So these are some songs that we have also coined and then enter into Easyworship for easy projection and other things. So okay, there are other songs that you can search for. Ebenezer. So these are some songs. Then Ampara Nyako Pona Dunarakwa. So these are basic some songs that you can then have been included in the list. It's not only the SDA songs that you will sing. Some might sing other songs which are not in the SDA email. Now let's come to the Twi Bible. Okay, if you want to search for Revelation, you just enter Rev, then followed by the chapter. If it is chapter 2, you have the very verses over here then to project. Okay, so now the files that you will download, this is how they look like. This is the files. You just have to copy them, and it's meant for fresh installation. Okay, when you have done installation, you don't have any lyrics and you want to populate this one into them, you click on profile, you create a new profile. But if you are having an existing profile like the way I have, the Twi SDA Central is a default profile that I have. So I just come and then I click on profile manager. Once I click on profile manager, I click here and then I open up. If it is your default and you want to replace all the lyrics and everything you have, you can do it this way. So you come to databases, you come to data, and then you paste the files in there. You will be asked to replace them. Now when you do the replace and you get it finishes and then you get error, just close Easyworship and then open it up again. You'll be good to go. Okay, and then if it is a new profile you want to create, after you have clicked on the profile menu, the profile manager, you can click on new, create a new profile, and then when you are asked to install default song, just click on cancel. When you click on cancel, then you just switch to that profile. That, so for instance, I'm creating a new profile like Ghana SDA. Okay, I just click on okay, then I click on switch to. This is someone who store a different profile that will contain this database. Okay, once you go to switch to, they will ask you for this. Click on cancel. So you are not going to do anything. Then you come back to the profile again. So now this time the Ghana SDA is selected, profile manager, and then you click on this link again. Data, then you paste it in there. Be asked to replace, do the replacement, and then after, if you get any error, just move out, close the Easyworship, and that's all. Just open Easyworship again. It's because you have opened it and then you are using, and then you are pasting the file again. That's when maybe you get error, but it's all done. Thank you.